shall we?
Alright folks, welcome to an episode about scamming in TF2. So I noticed once I got my unusual that I unboxed that I've been getting a lot of trade requests and scamming attempts and things like that. So I wanted to go over a couple of those, particularly these more interesting ones, and kind of show what happens, what the scammers try to do to trick you, and yeah, just give you some items to look out for. So, without further ado, let's get to it. This first one is known as the OPSkins scam attempt, which I heard about from PyroJoe. And this scammer that I'm going to play the whole chat log was trying to scam me out using this method.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. I was just wondering if you are selling your unusual and your frying pan.
The frying pan, no, but I am up for selling the unusual.
15 keys for it.
That's a pretty low-ball offer. I'm only looking for serious traders, sorry.
Is it too low? Well, how much keys you are selling it?
If you did your price research beforehand, you would know.
Well, in backpack it's 14 keys only.
Yeah, backpack is incorrect, given current quantity available.
20 keys.
I probably can't go lower than 24 keys.
26. Are you okay?
26 would be okay.
Alright. Can I have your trade link so I can send you my offer?
You can do it right from this window. Drop down by my name.
Just leave it here. Do you know where to find it, right?
Yee.
Just leave it here.
Okay, one sec. There you go.
Are you using any trading sites?
Just marketplace at the moment.
BT dubs, are you familiar in OPSkins or have you heard about it before?
Haven't heard about it, but I just deal with regular Steam trades and marketplace.
Well, OPSkins is one of the most safest and secured marketplace that is connected on Steam, and I'm currently a buyer and reseller there.
Good for you.
I just want to make sure that your unusual is currently marketable there.
That's up to you. It's a clean unusual I unboxed myself, so it's definitely tradable and marketable.
It is okay for you to go there and we will just going to check your unusual, and right after we are going to trade immediately. Yes, I know it's clean. Because on my last trade I lost a lot of money. The 6 unusuals that has been traded to me is not marketable there, and it means I can't sell it. That's why I want to make sure now. Hope you understand me.
That's up to you to do your own market research. I just do vanilla trades.
Yes, we are trading 1v1 here in Steam. We are just going to check your unusual there, and right after we can check it we are going to trade immediately.
Take whatever time you need to check the price on there, and send me the trade request when you're ready.
You will be the one to check it and I'm going to guide you there. Is it okay for you to go there? Hello, you here?
Yep, I'm checking it right now.
Do you have Discord? So I can easily guide you there.
I'm checking it there now.
There is a steps that you need to follow me in order to check it.
No, I'm pretty sure I can check it out myself.
Lol, dude.
It's easy to do. Yep, looks like it's fine.
LOL.
No issues listing it.
Dude, it's not how to check your unusual.
Yeah, it is.
LOL. If you don't want, you can go now.
I did check it. It's definitely tradable.
Lol, dude.
You can see it in my inventory as well.
We are not checking if it's tradable. We are checking if it's marketable. Tradable and marketable is different.
It's marketable as well.
LOL. How can you assure? Tell me. How did you check?
Because it doesn't have the unmarketable property.
Hahaha.
It's a separate property. Sorry for leading you on, man. I'm well acquainted with the OPSkins scam method.
Well, it's okay. If you don't want it, it's okay for me. You just have to say you don't want to.
I mean, you're welcome to send a legit offer, but I'm not playing the scam game.
What the other scam methods here?
But it's fun to watch you try, at least. Alright, so that was fun. Now, while I was editing this, I had a whole bunch of other chat logs and things like that I wanted to go through. There are different variants that I found. Some of the scammers use OPSkins, some use Marketplace. Pretty much all of them request Discord. I had a few that asked for Skype instead. But the general idea is pretty simple on how it works. However, while I was editing this, I actually ran into a scammer that responded to a Steam call, and so I was able to talk to him about it. And so, rather than going through my thoughts directly here, I'll just play that clip.
Hello, bro. Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Okay. By the way, bro, do you have a Discord?
Yeah, I don't use Discord for any training in TF2. Just use the Steam stuff.
Yes. Can you use your Discord, bro, so that I can show you what I have and let you choose if you want to be offer?
Let me just take a look at your Steam profile here.
Because I have a private
Take a look at your
bro.
inventory. Well, your inventory is currently set to
Always,
private right now.
yes. Always private my inventory. Because the last time, I lost my 3 unusual.
Yeah.
About that third party trade, okay?
No, I mean, I see you've got some keys there, and that's generally it. So what is your offer for the unusual?
Okay. So, okay. Can I check the price for your... Okay, just give me a moment.
Sure, go for it. I've had a few offers already for this item, so we'll have to see where your offer falls
Okay.
in there.
Okay, I'm interested for your frying pan and also your unusual.
The frying pan is not for sale, but the unusual is. The Killer Solo
Unusual,
72.
the bow, the crossbow, the bro bow,
Just the taunt.
the... This is only unusual only. But I'm interested for your frying pan and unusual.
Yes,
If
but
you
I'm
want to take
only
your
the taunt
price.
is for sale. The frying pan is not for sale.
Okay, how about the bow? The kill strike huntsman.
Sorry, your mic's a little bit soft. What's that?
How about your bow? Bow.
Oh, the bow that I have, the Huntsman? No, that's not for sale either.
Okay. So, can give you a 20 keys for your unusual if you want to trade.
20 keys for the unusual? I had an offer for 26
Yes,
yesterday that I turned
26.
down, so yeah. You'd have to beat that.
How about 30?
30 keys is fine. I would do that actually.
Okay, so I have a deal 30.
Yeah?
What?
Yeah, 30 would be fine.
Okay. Send to me your trade link so that I can make an offer.
Send to you, what's that?
Send to me your trade link. Send to me your trade link. Send to me your trade link so that I can make an offer.
Alright. You decline the trade
Link,
request.
bro. Trade link.
Oh, you want the
Trade
trade link, huh? No, we're just gonna
Yes,
do a
yes.
trade request here. That's it.
Trade link, bro. Trade link. Because I'm the one to send you an offer. Because I have a private inventory, okay?
Okay. Maybe you can help me with this. I have a question. Because I get a lot of people asking me to send their trade links instead of just doing the trade offer here. And I have a theory about this.
Okay, so what?
My theory is that you guys get the trade link so that you can put it in a script or software or whatever, and then you use Discord to try to middleman a transaction when you ask to check the unusual. Is that pretty much on the nail?
What do you mean? What do you mean, bro?
So generally, my current working hypothesis is you guys take the trade link, you put it in whatever software you want or whatever, so you can easily, quickly respond. Then you ask me to quote unquote check my unusual at a different location, and then when I go to do that, say uploading it to marketplace.tf or whatever, which you call quote unquote checking it, you're watching in Discord and you send a request that simulates the marketplace bot so that you can middleman it. Is that pretty much spot on?
No, the middleman, okay? No.
Because you're not the first person to try to do this. Or maybe you are. Maybe it's just you doing it over and over again. In which case, that's, insane. But if you want to trade, if you want to do a legitimate trade, there's the trade request.
Okay, send me your trade link. Send me your trade link.
Yeah, I just sent you a trade request. Open the trade request and we can put the stuff in.
Trade link, bro, because I have a private inventory, okay? Because I have a private inventory, because I'm the one to send you an offer.
Yeah, but if you do a trade request, it works just fine. Wait a second. Hold up. What's that right there? Now, when I was actually recording this, I didn't even notice this dialog box. Why? Well, for starters, I was surprised that he even opened the trade request to begin with. But also, this dialog looks exactly like the normal generic dialog, and there's just a little bit of text change. So I'm used to the, yeah, be careful with your scam requests, blah, 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 blah. I didn't even notice that Valve was trying to warn me about a potential scammer here. At any rate, this is something to keep an eye out for when you're trading. And Valve really should make that more of a prominent notice or notification so that it comes off as something special. Anyway, let's return to the clip. There's mine. And 30 keys. See, it works just fine.
I can see the price, okay? Send me your trade link so that I can make an offer.
Yeah, I just sent you a trade request. We can do it right there.
Bro, have a nice day.
Alright, you too. So you can see right here, then he's removed me and he's blocked me as well. So this is pretty much exactly what the traders do, whether it's via chat or whatever. What a fun time. And they're pretty big accounts, although this one looks like a throwaway. But I've seen some of these that I assume they must be stolen accounts because they'll have like 5,000 hours on record or something like that. And it looks like a completely legitimate account. And even this one might be stolen because it's been around for a long time. I don't know. Anyway, that's how it goes. Stay safe and thanks for watching.